Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
Hey, Steve, question for you. If the attendees want to learn more about OTA and your services in particular, how would they go about learning more about what you do for OTA?
Well, you know, that's pretty cool, because if they come out to our website, which is www.tradingacademy.com, what I do is, and Sam is actually there, Sam Seiden, my coach, mentor, and all-around good friend. A really good relationship formed over the years. He's there too. We'll be happy if you send an email to smisic@tradingacademy.com. Sam will actually send you a PDF that he explains in much more detail about support, resistance, supply, and demand. And I write newsletters for the OTA specific to Forex, and he writes newsletters for the OTA, which are free for you guys to read on the website. Just look under newsletters and under archives, and you can get access to them and sign up for them, have them delivered to you once a week. And I teach mostly now. I'm part of the what we call the Extended Learning Program, which is actually a graduate program for anybody that has attended a course at Online Trading Academy. So I'm pretty much not traveling as much as I used to. I'm mostly working out of my house doing classes. We actually have 14 classes a month for Forex, so they're 2 hours a day when we have them. We usually have them at different times so that I can accommodate the world traders. 2 in the morning sometimes, Sunday afternoon, so we can trade the open of the markets. And Sam actually has futures, and if anybody's interested in equities, but that's all part of the graduate program. If you're interested in Online Trading Academy, just look for the location closest to your house and come on in and sit down and at a power trading workshop and see what we're all about. You got to learn how to crawl before you can walk, and so some of the stuff we're talking about here may be a little bit more advanced for some people, so it's always good to get the basics first. But, you know, they can get a ton of information from your website about basics, especially when it comes to option trading. I'm on your list for all your emails and your stuff too, and so just get busy and get that education going, and try to learn how to do it for yourself for sure.
Steve, I want to thank you. I just want to give you the opportunity to have whatever kind of closing statement you might have, and then we'll wrap it up.
Okay, all I can say is that now more than ever, as you all have seen with Bernie Madoff and all the other crazy things going on, these cycles of fear and greed, they're going to come again. They're going to, please, if you take anything away from today's presentation, just understand that if you're making money, be sure you have your eye on the exit so that you keep it, etc. And just continue to educate yourself. Just read a book a little bit today. My wife read it to me, 10,000 hours to actually learn a skill. The reason Bill Gates is Bill Gates is because the hours. The reason the Beatles were the Beatles is because of the hours they put into it. It's not going to come easy, but there are people out there to help you. And send an email to smisic@tradingacademy.com or sseiden, S-E-I-D-E-N, at tradingacademy.com if you want some information on supply, demand, support, and resistance from the master, the guy who taught me. I always say that I am the Tonto and he's the Lone Ranger, so he's the guy to explain it.
Well, Steve, thank you very much. A lot of information here, and I just want to remind everyone that, of course, you can go to Online Trading Academy's website and get some of the free materials that Steve was talking about. Also, if you want to listen to this again, you can go back to the ISE at www.ise.com/archives. This presentation will be available tomorrow, and you can listen to Steve and all the different examples that he went through, so please come back. So, Steve, I just want to thank you again on behalf of the ISE. You did a great job, and thanks. You put a lot of time into this. I really do appreciate it.
And again, thank you for having me, and I really enjoy being here, and keep up the good work.
Thank you very much. Just want to remind everyone we have Jack Crooks that he'll be back with the ISC on Thursday, July 9th, talking about why fundamentals are important in the FX market. And next week, we have John Netto, who is an options expert, talking about the different option strategies. So he's Mr. Delta, Gamma, Theta, Vega, Rho, trading options. Everybody has their specialty, and if you're interested in all the Greeks and things like that, come back for John's presentation. Otherwise, Jack will be with us on Thursday, normally 4:30 Eastern Time, 3:30 Central. So again, I want to thank Steve Misic for a great presentation. Thanks again, Steve.
Thanks, Steve. Have a great one, and thanks to everybody for coming. See you. Take care.
Thank you. I want to also, on the behalf of the ISC, thank all of you for spending some of your valuable time to learn more about ISC FX options, and you can always come to our website, see what's going on with the 6 pairs. In fact, we're adding 3 new ones sometime in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Again, that website is www.isc.com/FX. So on the behalf of the ISC, this is Steve Meisinger saying have a pleasant evening and a great trading day tomorrow. Take care now. Bye.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.isc.com/podcasts.